Good evening, friends. My name is Pooja Subhash Patil. Today's date is 9 December 2021. Today's topic name is Inheritance in Java. So, firstly, we discuss inheritance in Java. As you know, Java is a programming language. Java programming language is a based upon object-oriented programming language. The object-oriented programming language is a methodology. The object-oriented methodology provides such types concepts such as object, class, polymorphism, inheritance, encapsulation. Then discuss object. Object is a object is used in a Java programming language. Class. Class is a instance of a object. It is also require blueprint object. Polymorphism. Poly means many and morphism means forms. Abstract. The abstract means abstract means hiding with the unnecessary files from users. Encapsulation. Encapsulation means it is allows to code for single file. Inheritance. Inheritance are also used in Java programming. That's all about object oriented methodology concepts. Then we discuss about inheritance. What is inheritance? Inheritance is a very important feature of Java programming. Inheritance is a reduces code of programming. The syntax of inheritance. Class, subclass, extend, superclass, curly bracket open, method, curly bracket close. The technologies, basis of technologies. First, class. Class is a group of a object in Java programming. Class is a blueprint object. Superclass. Superclass is also called as base class or parent class. Then subclass. Subclasses are also used all types child class for members in methods. Then second point is extend keyword. The extend keyword are used in extend the functionality. extend keyword are used in Java because extend keyword are used to extend the functionality of programming. Why we need or use inheritance in Java programming? We can use inheritance to reduce code of program. The inheritance are also used in Java programming. Then types of inheritance. There are 5 types are included in inheritance. First one is a single inheritance. Second one is a multi-level inheritance. Third one is a hierarchical inheritance. Fourth one is a multiple inheritance, and last one is a hybrid inheritance. Single inheritance. Single inheritance are used in child classes. Single inheritance are used in one child class for and one parent class. Then multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance are used all types of child class for included in one parent class. Then hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance is a one base class and many child classes are included. Then multiple inheritance. Java does not support multiple inheritance. Then last one is a hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance does not support Java programming. We use in interface. That's all about today's topic is inheritance in Java. Thank you.